Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my very first skincare routine video, and I just wanted to share with you guys all the products that I use to help improve my skin and trying to get it back to where it used to be. My goals are to get rid of all the dark spots on my face. Like, it took a while to get them, so I know it's gonna take a little bit of a while to get rid of them. So I wanted to show you guys what I have and what I've been using. I have been getting a couple compliments. Thank you guys for noticing that I have been working on my skin a lot lately. So I just wanted to show y'all what I'm using because a lot of people has been asking me, what am I using so they can use it? So here's a little bit of what I use. So before we get started, let me put this disclaimer out here first. This is what I use on my skin. It works for me. Just because it works for me, that doesn't mean it works for you. I am not suggesting anybody to use this. I'm putting out what I use because I was asked about what I use on my skin. So this is a video basically on what I use on my skin. So I was recently introduced to a product probably about a couple months ago called the MURAD skincare line, or the MURAD face cleanser. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there you go. The MURAD face cleanser. This is like really good, you guys. Like, it has the vitamin C in there, so that helps a lot when you have hyperpigment skin like I do, which basically is a big word for saying you have all these black spots on your face. Vitamin C helps to uplift those black spots on your face and just basically dissolves it. It's like a brightener. Now, when I say brightener, I do not mean whitener. A brightener just basically dissolves those black spots in your face, black spots in your face, but it does not turn your skin or your pigment light, as in to make it whiter. It just basically dissolves those spots in your face. So this cleanser does have that in there, and it's very gentle. It's not like a harsh smell. It doesn't really lather up very thick, so you don't get a lot of like intense soap on your face. It's like a little light lavender. It's like a spa. I also use the Urban Skin RX, and it comes in like this with a scrub, two of these actually, and it's basically a cleanser bar. So when you open it, like I said, I've been using it, y'all, it's like a soap in there. They also give you this with this. You get two of these soft sponge type things and you just get this wet and you put it in there and you swish it around, get it all lathered, and you lather it up on your face. This does lather up a lot, so you will get a lot of soap on your face. It says let it sit for maybe like 2 to 3 minutes, and then you rinse it off your face. I use both of these cleansers, one during the day and one at night, or sometimes I use them both at night or both during the day. It depends on the day, honestly. Those are what I use to clean my face. What I use to as a serum, I have a lot of serums, y'all. I put a lot of serums on your face. Now, this is a disclaimer also. I wouldn't suggest starting off with a lot of serums. You might want to start off with one and then break it into 2 and 3 or whatever. So next, I use the DERMA-E Vitamin C Concentrated Serum with hyaluronic acid in it. That's a lot to say, y'all. Nevertheless, this serum is very mild on your skin. I do like using this. This was the first serum I used on my skin. I did see improvement. It leaves like your skin feeling light. It does not have a heavy serum feeling or whatever. It's just light. I use this, so y'all see it, as a serum. Then after that, when I did get the MINIMO bundle, it came with the serum. I don't know if y'all remember. If you don't, please go back to one of my videos. I will have it in the description box below. And it had the acne control serum. I used this because I wasn't breaking out. I don't get heavy acne, not the big blistering acne, knock on wood, y'all. Nevertheless, but I do get little spots, and I'm a picker. So when I pick the bumps, that's when I get these black spots on my face. This stops the little acne that I did get, and it smells wonderful. Like I said, I love this smell. It smells like pumpkin, and I don't know, maybe you don't like pumpkin, but I love the smell of pumpkin. So I like that smell. Then I started using the MURAD Advanced Active Radiance Serum. This is a treatment and it's a serum at the same time. So you do kind of feel a little tingling with this one. Honestly, you will feel a little tingling with this one, but this one brightens my skin. Like, I can see, like, you know how they say when you're pregnant you get that glow? This gives me that glow, like a serious glow. And I've been using this probably for a couple of weeks, like probably 3 weeks, and I've noticed it. I love this right here, it's really good. I also have treatments, like I said, with the Urban Skin RX. I have the dark spot rapid repair treatment, and that's this. This is what you're supposed to use you only can use it probably 3 nights out of a week. So that just says how much stuff you probably don't want to use it on a regular basis, because it could strip your skin or whatever. But it helps a lot too with trouble spots. Like, this one was way darker and it helped, as you can see, lighten it up some. And I've been using it on my other spots too. Like, the darker ones do take a little bit more to lighten up, so this does the trick. My moisturizer, I do use the moisturizer from the MURAD, excuse me if I get it wrong, y'all, line. It's really good, it's lightweight, it has the SPF 30, so it's good in the sun. You want to make sure you have a moisturizer that has the SPF 30 or 25 in there to protect skin that has the hyperpigment in there. I also, when I'm doing my makeup, when I take my makeup off, and everybody should, when you take your makeup off, please get a nice makeup remover. I do use the Neutrogena makeup removal cleansing wipes, towelettes. I bought a bulk of them at Sam's Club. These are really good. You don't need a whole bunch of wipes, just one takes it all off. Use your skincare every night. When I say things will not go away within, like, you have to be consistent with your skincare. You can't choose 1 week to do it, then the next week, I'm not gonna do it, and then the next week, I'm gonna get back with it, and then expect by the summer your skin to be flawless. You have to be consistent with it. You have to take care of your skin, because it took you a while to destroy or whatever you've done to your skin, and it's gonna take a while to heal that skin. You have to take care of your skin, and taking care of your skin is not just using skincare products. Taking care of your skin is drinking water. Like, you need to get in a lot of water. I know a lot of people say, oh, drinking water doesn't do much. Drinking water can do a tremendous amount, because you're hydrating those skin, those cells in your skin. You're hydrating new skin, because every day you shed a lot of skin. Old skin cells are sitting up on your face, and you want to get those off of your face. So you need to hydrate the new skin cells so that they can be able to be more, they're not dry and all crinkly. They're all moisturized, they're full with fluid, and they're able to heal the skin better. Exfoliator is awesome. You want an exfoliator. I use the MINIMO exfoliators. Like I said, I have it in a video down below. I use those every night, because when you have hyperpigment skin, you want to buff away those old skin cells. I use a mask. I do mask every night because I want to make my skin better. That's important. Makeup and all that stuff is great, but if your skin looks terrible, your makeup's gonna look not that good. If you have large pimples or black spots or wrinkles or whatever scars on your face or on your skin, it's gonna show through the makeup. No matter how much corrector or concealer or whatever you put on there, it will show through. So take care of your skin first, and then you don't have to use as much makeup. Have a good routine, a good skincare line that fits you. You might have to go through a couple of things. My suggestion is buy like I bought them 30-day kits, the 60-day kits, the cheaper ones. Yeah, get that, because buying those big things, I don't know if you went into the store, Ulta Beauty, Sephora, Walmart, wherever you go. Those things aren't cheap. They like, for a cleanser, $39. Like, It's a box of wipes for my baby, you know. That's that's a lot of money that could go somewhere else. So I'd rather get small, and if I like it, I go back and I go buy the bigger size instead of buying the actual size and it doesn't work for your skin. You try and work at your skin, because your skin is going to thank you when you get older. It's going to thank you for doing what you had to do when you was younger to make sure it lasts forever. And that is my little skincare review, if you want to say, or that was my skincare routine. What do I use? So thank you guys, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If not, thanks for watching. You know, thanks. But subscribe to the channel, be a part of the team. It's growing, and thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to me, because this is new to me, and I'm really trying to find something that makes me happy a little bit, you know. So thank you for subscribing to me. Thank you for liking. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Peace and one love.